everyone, I do hope you're well. Today I'm going to make these beautiful daisy earrings and necklace set. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials ideal for the complete beginner. These are the daisy charms and they are made of acrylic and they measure 3 centimeters, that's 30 millimeters. And if you follow my channel, you'll know just how much I love anything daisy. I've got a stainless steel necklace chain. This one's 20 inches. Earring card, 2 pairs of pliers for the jump rings. Now these are stainless steel 7mm jump rings, and also stainless steel earring wires. I've got some earring backs just to clear to put on the back of the card. Very simple to do, great for beginners. What lovely spring and summer jewellery you can make with them. So very simply, I'm going to do the necklace first of all. These chains and all the other supplies are available on my website, which is Low Cost Craft Supplies, which I'll link below for you. And these chains are just £1. That's proper stainless steel chains. So go and have a look and grab yourself a bargain. I've always got some kind of offer on over there. So there's our chain. All we're going to do is attach the charm in there. And just do the chain up. Again, this is beginner jewellery, nothing advanced, but it just shows how inexpensive it is to make some handmade jewellery for yourself, for friends and family, or to sell on. So we're now going to close the jump ring. These are what you call open jump rings. Normally they just have the tiny slit in them. I don't have one here to show you, but these are actually just called open jump rings because of how they are. So just take each side and we put them together. Always open and close like this. There is a video all about jump rings, which I'll link for you. And that is how simple it is to make that necklace. Just pop that there. Earrings. These are your earring hooks. A little loop on the end. You can open the loop on the end. I prefer to add a jump ring to them. It just also gives them some length as well. And what I'm going to do is actually use 2 of these together, and you'll see why now. So take the jump ring, attach the pendant, and I'm going to close this one. You can use smaller jump rings. I wanted them to match the ones used on the necklace, and also these are large, they're almost pendants. So we're now going to take another one, and I'm going to attach these onto it like this. I'm then going to attach the earring wire. Now the earring is going to go into the lobe like this. Just attach that one on and close. And then then when they're on the jewellery card, they will actually hang the correct way. Otherwise I'll just turn around on themselves. So that's that one. I'm just going to pop that one on the card. So I'm just going to do another one. We attach the daisy and then close. These are nice and strong. They're 1.2mm thick. Less chance of, if they get caught in somebody's hair, coming apart. We don't want them coming apart. So that's also good. Attach the daisy and the earring wire. And then we close, and there's that one. If you want to do gold, go ahead. I'm just going to attach onto the back 2 earring backs. Just to keep them on the card. And also, some people like to use these to keep them in their ears. I'm making these for me. Here's the necklace chain. Now I'm going to attach it. So pretty, so easy to make. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete beginner with jewellery making. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.